This video is on how to repair a Black Decker steam mop.
First thing we need to do is remove this cover. Start by removing the filler cap. We start removing the cover from this side. We need to get a thin flat bladed screwdriver and just get it under the lip there and lever it up. And if you run the screwdriver along the sides of the cover, you can start to lift it up. It takes a little bit of manoeuvring. Now remove the screws that secure the base. And this is with the crosshead screwdriver. Turn the steam mop over and then you can remove the cover.
Parts 2 and 3 of the video are listed below. If you've not been with me before, please press the subscribe button over there on the right, and good luck with your repair.